Aamir Liaquat to make his acting debut in upcoming Telefilm Bascorona after making his wife Aamir an actor. Now Aamir Liaquat himself will be seen acting in the film. As the news went viral on social media, people started making fun of him, saying that a religious scholar would now be seen acting. According to sources, the telefilm will be in a comedy style and is being made by Goldbridge Media. Let us tell you here that Aamir Liaquat is also the leader of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and a member of the current National Assembly. On the other hand, he is also doing the Alim online program from Express Entertainment. He also talks about the problems in society through his Instagram account and also participates in it. As soon as people found out about his acting in the film, people started making memes on social media. And besides, she is also seen doing live Ramadan transmissions from some private TV channel every year. What's special about him is that when he starts his program, he impresses the viewer so much that people keep listening to him. And because of this, every year he gets the highest Ramadan program rating. Aamir Liaquat's debut telefilm is titled Bascorona. Seeing the title of his film, people are also saying that Aamir Tumya film nahi Corona. Now it is to be seen that Aamir Liaquat will make a big name in the world of acting. Only time will tell. But let us tell you one thing here, that his second wife Aamir is currently performing brilliantly in Airy Digital's drama Braz. Don't forget to tell us in the comments section below. Are you also eagerly waiting to see Aamir Liaquat's first film?